Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. This week I am using the Wildflowers collection from Anita Designs. The blues in this collection really suit my photos this week. We have some graduation photos for Jordan, who finished his Master of Fine Arts down at UC Santa Cruz. Which he had been working on for 2 years, so it was a big day for him. And then on the other side, we just have a bunch of fun redwood photos. So they continue. There's some nice greens in this collection as well. So it really was a nice collection to use here. And I'm not really into themed collections, as you can see here. I didn't get a special graduation themed kit to use here. I don't know. It seems like a lot of work or something. I don't know. I don't know. It just doesn't really, it's not something I'm into. I'm happy using my kind of generic pages here to get the job done. So I could have even probably looked for some graduation themed elements, which I know we have on Pixel Scrapper, but I did not do that. I just stuck with this bundle here to finish up my page. So I know some people enjoy using a good themed bundle to get their pages done, but I don't seem to be one of those people. So I've got all my papers set up here in the background, and now I am just adding in the elements. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.